Hey guys, welcome back to another video by the Equal Ed Scholars. Today we'll be going through questions 13 to 15, which are considered pretty long, which is why I'm only doing 3 questions today instead of 4. This is still from Practice Test 1 on the College Board. Let's get right into it. So the first question is asking if x was greater than 3, which of the following is equivalent to this right here? So the way I would approach this question is this isn't simplified at its best. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to simplify it. Sorry about that. 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 3. So to get rid of the bottom, we have to multiply by x plus 2, and we have to multiply by x plus 3. That way it can cancel out this, this, and it can cancel out this and this. So then whatever we do to the bottom, we also have to do to the top. Same with here. And since we multiplied this whole thing by x plus 2, we also have to multiply this top by x plus 2 and x plus 3. It'll make more sense once I start writing. So we have x plus 2 times x plus 3. We divide everything by x plus 2 plus x plus 3. And so now all we have to do is we get x squared, or we don't even have to resolve the top part. When we resolve the bottom part, we get 2x plus 5. Since we know that 2x plus 5 has to be in the denominator, we can go through the answers now. Let me just erase this so it becomes more clear. So now that we established that 2x plus 5 has to be on the denominator, we look at our answers. So we know it's not D or C. The only one with 2x plus 5 in the denominator is B. So the answer is going to be B. Let's look at question 14. Question 14 might look hard, but it's actually very simple. So we have 3x minus y is equal to 12, and what is the value of 8x divided by 2y? So 8x divided by 2y, same thing. We didn't simplify it yet, so that's what we're going to do right now. We have 8x is also equal to 2 to the power of 3x divided by 2y. And 2 to the power of 3x divided by 2y, that's also the same thing as saying a divided by b. Now a divided b is equal to ab to the power of negative 1. And similarly, we'll get 2 to the power of 3x times 2 to the power of negative y. Since the bases are the same, we can add these two together. So 3x plus negative y is equal to something. Now, when we look at their equation that's given to us, we get 3x minus y is equal to 12, right? So then we also get 3x minus y is equal to 12, just like we got up here. But we're not done yet. Many students try to find something within the answers that would give them a resultant of 12. But what we're actually doing is this is going to be the power of 2. It's going to be 2 to the power of 12. So the answer is going to be 8, because everything that we did so far was in the base of 2, like down here, 2x minus to the power of negative y. So everything that we did was to the power 2 to the power of something. So we have to make it so that it's 2 to the power of 12. So it's 2 to the power of 3x times 2 to the power of negative y is equal to 2 to the power of 12. That way we get our equation of 3x minus y is equal to 12, which is why the answer is A, as mentioned before. Just make it in red. Just erase this. Well, this question 15 is going to be a long one. So question 15 is asking if ax plus 2 times bx plus 7 is equal to 15x squared plus cx plus 14 for all the values of x, and a plus b is equal to 8, what are the two possible values for c? So we get ax plus 2 times bx plus 7 is equal to 15x squared plus cx plus 14. Sorry for the sloppy handwriting. Now we're going to resolve this. So we get abx squared, right? We get abx squared. Now we do the FOIL method. abx squared plus 7ax plus 2bx plus 14, right? Now when we look back at the equation, we have our three terms, abx squared, and our c term is 14. Now our middle term is going to be 7ax plus 2bx. So that's what we want to focus on, 7ax plus 2bx. And that is our value, which is equal to c. Now we can resolve for a and b by looking at the abx squared as our first term. So we have abx squared, which is equal to 15, right? They also gave us that a plus b is equal to 8. So it could be a numerous amount, but the only two numbers that equal to 8 when you add it and multiply to 15 are 3 and 5. So a could be 3 and b could be 5, or b could be 3 and a could be 5, whichever one that we decide to do. So a 3, b 5. And this is the reason why they gave us two numbers in the solution solutions given. So now we plug it into this equation right here. 7ax plus 2bx is equal to c. Now we see that the multiple, x is common in both, so we can just take out x. So we get 7a plus 2b times x is equal to c. Now let me just free up some space up here. Let me write this all out. Okay. Now we have 7a plus 2b. So as we established, a could be 3. So if we make a 3, then we get 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5 is equal to 21 plus 10, which is equal to 31. One of the answers is 31. The other one could be 7 times 5 plus 2 times 3. So that's 35 plus 6, which is equal to 41. So our two answers are 35 and 41, which is the answer D. That was all for today. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. And next time we'll be doing the last 4 questions in the calculator section. Math no calculator section.